Hi, this is Chef Jennifer Johnson with Witnessing Nature and Food, and I've had lots of people ask me about my guacamole recipe because they really like the fact that it does not have a super oily texture from the avocado, and they like the fact that it has a balanced flavor. So I'm going to show you how to do that and explain to you a couple things, and then you can decide what you like to do, because food is all about you and you should make it the way you like it to be. So anyways, let's start off with, I've already prepped all the ingredients, so go ahead and let's zoom in. That's perfect. So I've already crushed some avocado, and so one thing I want to teach you about avocados is I have a shiny avocado here, and this guy is really hard. So when you go to the store and you see an avocado that's really hard, he's really shiny, he's going to be hard. So this guy is a little more matte color. Oops, as I just dropped him. A little more matte color, and he's almost perfectly soft, but you do have to feel him and squeeze him a bit. So the perfect way, if you don't already, and I think that most people in Arizona know how to do it, is you just take and stick your knife in your avocado pit and you pull them out. Then you can take your spoon, pull the avocado out, throw it inside of your bowl here. Get all the remnants out of there so we're not wasting any avocado. And then we're going to take and crush them up a bit. So we're going to just use a fork and crush them. And if they crush like this guy's crushing right here, then that's about the perfect texture. Too soft is not good, and then too hard gets you a very crunchy guacamole. And I'm not sure many people like crunchy guacamole, but you see how he crumbs up really nicely, makes them smooth. Now, if you know, avocados turn brown almost immediately, so we take a lime, which I've cut in half here, and I usually take about half a lime and I throw them inside. And that also helps break up some of the oily texture of the avocado. And then I like other things added to my guacamole. So I have some salsa that I made earlier. We're going to add some salsa into this. And then we're also going to add, I love, I have to tell you, love red onion in here. So even above the salsa, I add some fresh red onion. I have some garlic that I've added. I've diced or some minced some garlic. I have some jalapenos straight out of the garden there, and I have some cherry tomatoes that I have grilled on the stove a little bit. So they're there. So I've added those guys. And so we're gonna mix them up. And so you see the guacamole is not just guacamole, or not just avocado. It's more of a kind of salsa, lime type of avocado. And then you have your options. You can add salt and pepper. Sorry, I forgot to bring over the salt and pepper. Put the salt and pepper over here. I don't usually add too much pepper. And give it a shot and see how I think it feels. Yummy. Ooh, I like that. Nice and spicy. I don't think it needs anything else, actually. We've got enough garlic. It's got enough avocado. Maybe just a hair more lime into it. Oops. There we go. And there you go. You have your perfect guacamole. You want some more salsa, some more red, some more whatever. And then, you know, I diced up some green onions from the garden. Cut them up so that you have a nice, pretty color of guacamole. And so you can just take and taste that. And you'll see that once you add the lime and you add some salsa to it, that it does not have, very nice. Can you bring the camera back up? If you add some lime and some salsa to it, that it does not have the oiliness of the avocado. And a lot of people like avocado, but they do not like the oiliness or the texture that it leaves in their mouth afterwards. And so that's why adding some salt and adding some lime to it helps take care of some of that. Anyways, I thought I would share my guacamole recipe with you, and I hope you enjoy. Again, food is a preference and is a way that you should like it. Here's some general ideas about how to do it, and make it the way you like to have your food. Because after all, food is to love, and so you should love what it is that you are eating. If you don't, you probably shouldn't eat it. Anyways, have a great time. Enjoy your food and enjoy all organic food. I am Chef Jennifer with Witnessing Nature and Food. Take care. Mwah.